February 7th, 2018, 11 a.m. in Syracuse, New York. This morning at 7 a.m. there was no snow. This is what it looks like now at 11. Well, this is 12:30. Syracuse, New York on February 7th. Snow has been coming down since 7 o'clock this morning, and it is ridiculous. I feel like I'm on the Hoth planet in Star Wars. I'm just waiting for a tauntaun to come by so I can cut its belly open and climb inside. Just to show you how ridiculous this is, I'm gonna wipe this off. It's 12:30 now. That's how much snow is on there. I'm gonna wipe this off, and then I'm gonna return in a couple hours, probably around 2, 3, and show you how much snow has dropped since then. It's now 2 o'clock. That's how much snow since I last wiped it off. Well, now it's 4 o'clock. That's how much snow we've gotten since I last shown you. So, wasn't the best day for me. My Jeep got a flat tire. My car's not going anywhere in this shit. And on top of that, my snowblower's not working. So I had to do everything by shovel, which was not fun at all. A great Wednesday, isn't it? But this is what it's like living in central New York, upstate New York, Syracuse, New York, whatever the hell you want to call it. This is what it is. There's nothing you can do about it. Welcome to the Hoth planet. I'm Brian Hewitt of Hewitt Films. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. Any of you people in those warm areas, I don't like you anymore. Just kidding. Please subscribe to Hewitt Films.